Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two Shark upright vacuum cleaners. On the right, I got the Rotator Professional. On the left, I got the Vertex with Duo power fins. Let's see how they do on this really tough stain or this tough mess on carpet, and then we're going to try hardwood floors. So I thought the Shark Vertex does a great job on hardwood floors and on carpet. It kind of glides over the carpet really easy. I like having that big brush on the front, kind of draw things in. The professional one, the Rotator Professional, kind of everything's kind of heavier duty. It's meant for maybe more professional use. I did turn the brush roller off whenever I was doing hardwood floors, and it did an okay job with that. So the power switch for this one is right here. You're going to turn it on and off and turn the brush roller on and off. I like having the switches up here. You're going to turn it on and off. And for hardwood floors, you're going to rotate it down or up for carpet. Okay, so now to empty out the dirt and debris, you're going to press this button right here. And this comes out. Take it to the trash can, press this button, and everything comes out. Once in a while, there are some filters here you do have to change or rinse out and then put back. On the professional, that you're going to pinch these two tabs right here. This whole unit's going to come out. You're going to take it over to the trash can, press the button. The bottom comes out, everything comes out. This one has a little bit different filter style, but once in a while you are going to have to kind of clean that out. This one may be like a little bit more heavier duty for professional use. Now they both do have a HEPA filter. This one's kind of up underneath the vacuum, a little bit harder to get to. This one, it's right here in the front where you pull it out. So here's what the bottom of them looks like. So this one does have that extra roller to kind of grab big dirt and debris chunks and bring it into this roller here. This one's just got the single roller. Once in a while you will have to cut the hair off. It may wrap around it. Now the lift away feature is a little bit different on each one. They both lift away, but this one just like the motor lifts away. You're going to press this button right here and see just the motor does, the wand and everything stays with it. Over here, we've got the lift away. You're going to press this button right here and everything lifts away. The wand, the handle, and when you're all done, you're going to put it back. So the professional Rotator, if you're in a professional environment, I could see where this one would be a little bit better. It does seem a little bit more heavier duty. The basket that holds the dirt and debris is a little bit bigger. The filter system's a little bit heavier duty. And kind of the controls, kind of everything about the vacuum seems just a little beefier. The Vertex I actually really do like. It does a really good job on hardwood floors and carpet. It seems the only hard part with the Vertex is getting that HEPA filter on the bottom was a little tricky. So the Professional is retailing for about $230. The Vertex is kind of a more expensive one. It retails for about $340. Are you getting $100 worth of more improvements? If you definitely have a lot of hardwood floors and carpet, the Vertex is definitely the way to go. But more of a professional, this one's definitely a good one. Underneath the video, if you could give it a thumbs up, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with these products, I will give them away. Also, this is where I got my Simple Sip coffee, Just a Dad Dark Roast Simple Sip coffee. It's going to be for sale. It's a dark Brazilian roast, whole bean, K-cup, and ground. And I also started a podcast, Coffee with Dad podcast. This is where I interview different people about their stories with coffee. So check that out. That's on all those platforms that you get. Apple Podcasts, Spotify. It's even on YouTube. I do a video version of it also on YouTube. So again, I really do appreciate everybody's support. Again, if you could, please like and hit the subscribe button. That really helps out my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it.